The Galaxy Z Fold 7, which includes an AI-powered multimobile search integrated into the Galaxy Camera app, is the subject of a teaser campaign that Samsung has started. With its unparalleled mobility without compromising on performance or power, the Fold 7 is anticipated to be Samsung's thinnest and lightest horizontal foldable to yet. The Fold 7 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor model SM8750, according to the FCC certification, making it a powerful device that can multitask, play games, and do magic using artificial intelligence. 5G, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband, USB, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging are also confirmed by the FCC listing. The Fold 7, which has a larger cover display and a more elegant form factor, is modeled after the Special Fold Special Edition. Alongside the Fold 7, the debut is anticipated to take place at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in July. It is anticipated that One UI 8 will be developed on top of Android 16 when the Z Flip 7, Z Flip Fan Edition, and Galaxy Watch 8 series arrive. Samsung has changed the foldable market and made it a product that blends in well with everyday life. Although a slimmer foldable is exciting, there is still uncertainty over its battery limitations and expected sales. With the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic already showing up on eBay, Samsung is also getting set to release the next-generation Galaxy Watch 8 series. The much-awaited Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are poised to usher in a daring new age of innovation by completely redefining the foldable experience as we know it. Samsung is already setting the stage for a more ambitious design, despite criticism for its emphasis on software and AI adjustments in foldable hardware. According to expectations, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have a thin hinge that, when folded, would almost blend in with a standard flatty phone. In order to achieve the ideal balance of strength, style, and functionality, the phone is constructed like a tank. In its first promotional teaser, Samsung hinted at an ultra experience with the Z Fold 7. Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series is anticipated to provide the Fold 7 with a significant amount of power, including excellent cameras and eye-catching screens. In order to feel lighter without compromising strength, the Fold 7 will also include a titanium backplate. According to reports, Samsung will launch a new power management system that uses a 25W adapter to speed up charging and increase battery life. It is believed to be more intelligent, more durable, and more seamless than before. In early July, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and maybe the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE or Flipped FE will be released. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.